This is an amazing video. I love it. Shut this video off! I can't handle it! Shut it off! James, why did you do that? It was boring. It wasn't boring. Yeah, he's right. It wasn't boring at all. Oh, it was boring. He's a crybaby. But we'll be right back.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
As I was saying, that is garbage and a piece of my mind. What does that even mean? Your mind is in your head, and we're out talking fucking trains. We don't even have brains, or organs, or hearts. Normies, listen to this man. Look at this man. He is so knowledgeable, and then he beats out the thing that's the truth. The truth is, we don't have organs. We're just a trim on our face. Deal with it. Then where did the video go? Probably went, I don't know, over there. Hello, everyone. Oh, not you again. Bye. What's with him? He had a bad day with videos. Ooh, since he's gone. Who wants to see NWR 1999? Oh, yeah.
At the bookshop, the store owner came out of his shop with a thin clergyman, his son Christopher, and grandson Richard. Ladies, gentlemen, children and engines, I'm pleased to be launching Great Little Engines today here at my bookshop with the Reverend W. Audrey, his son Christopher, and his grandson Richard. And I'm also pleased to welcome the Scarlary Railway Engines too, who will be on display in celebration of the 29th book of the Railway series. If you purchase any book by Christopher and his father and wish to have it signed, please go towards the engines and Christopher and his father will be there to sign for you.
Yeah!